So we are in the garden and we're looking at this tomato plant. I think we may have possible tomato hornworm damage. As you can see here, the leaves have been eaten off. And something else you can do, you can actually look for the fecal material. And guess what? There's some right there that lets me know a tomato hornworm is near. And there it is, the tomato hornworm. As you can see, the horn, hence the name tomato hornworm. It's been doing a lot of damage here. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get out the sprayer. It has BT product in it, Bacillus thuringiensis. Make sure that you spray your tomato plant, get good coverage. And what happens is the tomato hornworm is gonna eat the foliage. Once he eats the foliage, it's gonna give him a stomach ache and he's gonna die. Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.